This is a 3-in-1 handheld vacuum. Comes nicely packaged. Accessories. These are the rest of the accessories. It also comes with a drawstring bag to store it. And this is where you charge it. This is where you clean it. Pull this out to clean the filter. This goes right back in. Okay, and then these are the accessories. This is how you use it. You push this in like that. Pull this out. And what you do to start it is you'll hold this button till it comes on. And then just push it once and it goes off. And then to use these other attachments, you'll put this attachment on and then you can use this one. And you can use this one. Or you can use this one. And then when you're done, everything goes in this bag. And your instructions.